Welcome to UK Smart Money, your guide to saving more, living better, and growing financially in the United Kingdom. Here you'll learn smart money saving tips, UK cost of living guides, budgeting for students and workers, cheap grocery hacks, side income ideas, UK bills, rent and utilities explained financial advice made simple. Subscribe and start your journey to smart UK living today. YouTube automation is one of the most powerful online business models in the UK right now, especially for people who want to earn money without showing their face or recording their own voice. And in this video, I will explain the complete YouTube automation process in a very simple and practical way, so even a beginner can understand and start. First of all, let's understand what YouTube automation really means. YouTube automation is when you run a YouTube channel, like a business, by outsourcing or automating tasks such as script writing, voiceover, video editing, and thumbnail design, while you focus on strategy, research, uploading, and growth. This model works extremely well in the UK because CPM and RPM are high compared to many other countries, which means advertisers pay more for UK and English-speaking audiences. Now, the first and most important step in YouTube automation is niche selection. Choosing the right niche can decide your success or failure. The best automation niches for the UK include finance, make money online, luxury lifestyle, facts, motivation, business stories, real estate, technology, and documentaries. Beginners should avoid risky niches like movie clips or music due to copyright issues, and instead focus on evergreen and copyright-safe niches. Once you choose a niche, the next step is competitor research. Go to YouTube and search your niche. Analyze successful channels, look at their titles, thumbnails, video length, upload frequency, and style. Do not copy them, but understand what is working. After that, you need to create your channel. Choose a professional channel name related to your niche, design a clean logo and banner using Canva, and write a clear channel description. Now comes content creation, which is the core of YouTube automation. First, you need a script. Scripts should be engaging, story-based, and written in simple English. You can write them yourself or hire script writers from platforms like Fiverr or Upwork for a low cost. Next is voiceover. You can hire a British or neutral English voiceover artist or use AI tools like 11 Labs or Murph. Clear audio quality is very important for retention. After voiceover comes video editing. Editors can be hired, or you can use tools like CapCut, Pictory, or InVideo. Videos should include stock footage, text animations, subtitles, and background music. Always use copyright-free footage from sites like Pexels or Pixabay. Now, thumbnails play a huge role in automation success. A good thumbnail can double your views. Thumbnails should be simple, bold, emotional, and curiosity-based. Use short text like £5,000 per month. No face, no voice, or UK passive income. Once the video is ready, you upload it with a strong SEO title, detailed description, and relevant tags. Consistency is key. Upload at least 3 to 4 videos per week. Many people fail because they expect fast money. But YouTube automation takes time. Normally, it takes 2 to 4 months to start seeing results and 6 to 12 months to build strong income. Monetization comes from multiple sources, including YouTube AdSense, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. Once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for monetization. UK-based channels earn well, even with fewer views. Because of higher RPM, one very important thing for UK creators is tax and legality. If you are earning money, you must register as self-employed with HMRC and declare your income. Treating YouTube automation as a real business is the key to long-term success. Many faceless channels are making thousands of pounds every month using this exact model. But success depends on patience, consistency, reinvesting profits, and improving content quality over time. If you stay focused, avoid shortcuts, and keep uploading, YouTube automation can become a full-time income source in the UK and completely change your financial future.